Hello, and welcome to day 10 of VLOGMAS. Today I'm going to share with you my latest project. We transformed the girls' closets with a makeover by Closet by Design. So as you can see, their closet is just a typical closet. Shoes and purses on the doors, and everything else is on one row in one shelf. So I met with the Closets by Design designer and came up with a perfect plan to utilize all of the space that both girls can grow into. I started the project by removing everything out of the closet. I left the things on the doors, but I took everything out and just wanted to make space for everything. So this is it. This is the final results. I kept the shelves on the door, but as you can see, we've doubled or actually kind of tripled the hanging space. So we have the shelf on the top for purses and bags. In the middle, once you open up the door, you have the jeans on the bottom shelf. Their shirts are on the top shelf. To the right, we have their dresses. So this is like a long hang shelf. There are their dresses, purses right there. Once again, there's bags on the top. On the bottom, I have some baskets, but I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to put in those baskets. But one thing I love about this design is completely customizable, so I can change things around as much as I want to. They have their purses on the bottom, some other bags, and then on the left hand side, you'll see some more purses, and under there that's a long hang shelf, and that's for like two-piece sets like jumpsuits or rompers or things like that that are considered a set. And then on the bottom there are other baskets. So I did keep the shelves on the door, like the little hanging over the door shelves. Kelsey's shoes are on one side and then Bailey's shoes on the other side. So overall, I'm very pleased with the way it looks. It's very built in, it's custom, everything looks great. The girls are actually excited to keep it clean. We've had the system about a month now and it's working for us. Now I know you're probably wondering, like, where are their other things? So they do have their other clothes in their drawers, and then also their uniforms for school. I actually keep them in the hallway. So I have this hanging cart in the hallway. So anyway, I'm really pleased with this project. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I would love to hear your thoughts on how you think we did. And stay tuned for our next Vlogmas tomorrow. Thank you and have a divine day. Goodbye.